Hi, I'm Sharon Macklis at IDG Communications, here with episode 48 of Do More with R, Run Lengthy R Tasks as Local Background Jobs. Have a script that's going to take a while to run? Here's a quick tip. You can run it in your current RStudio project as a background job, so it doesn't tie up the R console in your working project. Here's how. Instead of sourcing this script the usual way, see what happens when I click the Source drop-down menu at the top right. There's an option Source as Local Job. Now I can run this as a local background job. I have the option to send my entire existing global environment to the local job, which I don't need to do here. I can also copy the local job results back to my existing environment, which I do want to do in this case. Since I don't have anything in my global environment now, it's fine to put the results in my project's global environment. There's no risk of overwriting anything important. You do want to be careful when doing this, though, to make sure that you don't overwrite something you want. So I'm not going to tick this box, Run Job with Copy of Local Environment, but I will check Copy Results to Global Environment, and I'll start. You can see a progress bar as the job runs. Meanwhile, though, I can run other R code and see the results interactively in my console. Progress bar is continuing. I can run more code. I can run still more code while my job runs. Eventually, my results will show up as objects in my current project global environment, as you can see here. And now that they have, I can then use those variables. I do need to reload any libraries that my local job used, though. Those don't copy over. So I'll load this here. It's just an example. This could be anything. Now I can plot my results. ggplot is the most interesting of the terms in Google Trends around the world. Same in the US. Little different in New Zealand. Interesting. If you don't want to use the RStudio dialog box to source a script as a local job, you can use the RStudio API package and its job run script function. I'm going to restart my R session. Here I'm going to source the script as a local background job in this first line of code. If you don't have RStudio API package installed and you'd like to follow along, you can install it from CRAN. The default is not to copy the results to your current working environment, but the argument export env equals r_global env does the copying. The job is running now, you can see, and I can run other code once again as we see the progress bar, this green bar here. Once my local environment variables show up, I can plot the results just like I did before. Here they are, and you can see the plots again. That's it for this quick episode. Thanks for watching. For more R tips, head to the Do More with R page at bit.ly/domorewithR, all lowercase except for the R. You can also find the Do More with R playlist on the YouTube IDG Tech Talk channel, where you can subscribe so you never miss an episode. Hope to see you next time. Stay healthy and safe, everyone.